So actually 30, how many gold coins lost? 30 gold coins lost. Then but, yes, but then what happened that he has greedy, that a selfish greedy man wants 40 gold coins. How he can offer them? Because they done the, he thought that they done the mistake. Every world will think that she has stolen that, but she was found 30 gold coins and she was given to her father, but everyone thinks that she has stolen. So to make them everyone she has stolen, he told that 40 gold coins I have lost. And everyone what they will think, they will think some people, some knowledgeless people, what they will think,
was lost 40 gold coins. Everyone think.
okay, but honest people like you won't think like that. Okay, so honest judge what he told,
Yes.
yes, she lost, she got 30
No.
gold coins only, you lost 40 gold coins. So what's the solution? She has got that 30 gold coins from other way, other way, okay, from wait, she got 30 gold. So judge what he told, she got 30 gold coins from another place, not from that boy, not from that selfish greedy man. So then what he have given the solution, the selfish greedy man got the very lesson from that. So judge told that, judge told that you have lost 40 gold coins, but she got 30 gold coins. Then what happened? Yeah, then 30 gold coins were not yours because you lost 40 gold coins. She got 30 gold coins now. So that's why the 30 gold coins were not yours. So he told that if anybody found 40 gold coins, bring it to him. But at the end of the day, what happened? He lost 30 gold coins. That 30 gold coins. That 30 gold coins for that girl only, honest girl. This dishonest boy and greedy boy for 40 gold coins? Nowhere. Why? That judge told that if anybody found 40 gold coins, come and give it to me, or go near that selfish man and give it to them. But what happened at the end? No one will be found. No one, that 40 gold coins will not be found because already he lost 30 gold coins and 30 gold coins went to that girl only. Okay, that's why judge told honestly, if anybody found 40 gold coins, give it to him, but it won't be found. Okay, like that. So in your class also, I will tell in your example only. I am the teacher. In your class, Lakshmi Prasanna lost 30 rupees. Okay, not okay. One person thought like, okay, Lakshmi Prasanna thought lost 30 rupees. Then Lakshmi Sanvi found that 30 rupees. But Lakshmi Prasanna came to me and told me that, sir, I have lost 40 rupees. Then what I will tell? I am honestly, I will tell that, Lakshmi Sanvi, you keep that 30 rupees with you only. If anybody lost the 30 gold coins, you may give it to them. But he didn't told that, judge told that, if anybody found 40 rupees, you give it to Lakshmi Prasanna. Okay? But no one will give 40 rupees because she lost 30 rupees and that 30 rupees with that 30 rupees is near with honest Lakshmi Sanvi. Okay? So if you will be the selfish person, what will happen? 0 rupees, you will get nothing. So 40 rupees she told, she won't get nothing. No. Yes, very good. Lakshmi Prasanna understood very well. Extraordinary. Good. You also deep dived into that incident. You have to visualize that incidents. Okay. This will give you very comprehensive skills. Yes, right. You have to go on. Okay. By the end of this week, today is Wednesday now. You try to complete before Saturday these 100 stories. If you read 2 hours daily, you will be completed that 100 stories. Okay, not Saturday, you can take at least next Wednesday, you take 7 days. Next Wednesday you have to complete 100 stories, everyone in the class. Okay, right, next this okay, extraordinary, explained well Lakshmi Prasanna, and she understood well, she got into that story well. Okay, good. Next Akhil Rayal, are you there in the class? Yes, he is there in the class.
Yes, sir.
Right, have you understood the story?
Yes, sir.
No. Yes, good.
Understood.
Very good. Right. What's your chapter name?
The boy who cried wolf.
Okay, the boy who cried. Chapter number, have you remembered?
Sir,
Chapter number? The boy who cried. The boy
3.
and the apple tree.
Page number 3.
Page number 3. Don't change the word.
4.
Page number 3.
4.
Okay, the
Three
boy who
numbers.
cried wolf. Page number 4. Okay, right. Very good. Very good. You have took the first story only. Very good. You are coming sequentially. Okay, right. The boy who cried wolf. Okay, right. Go ahead. Wait, I will mute everyone. And
One.
these children. Yes, unmute yourself fast.
Yes, sir. Once
Yes,
there
go ahead. Go
was
ahead.
a shepherd, once there was a shepherd boy who liked to look after a flock of sheep. So in the village, one shepherd boy had who looked a flock of sheep. One day he left the board and decided to play a trick on the villagers. One day he felt bored. That's when he played a trick on village. He shouted, "Help, wolf, wolf!" The villagers heard his cries and rushed out of the village to help the shepherd boy. The villagers come with sticks and rushed to help the shepherd boy. When they reached him, they asked, "Where is the wolf?" The shepherd laughed loudly. I fooled all of you. I was only playing a trick on you.
Yes, go
A
ahead.
few days later, the shepherd boy played this trick again. Again he cried, "Help, help, wolf, wolf." Again the villagers rushed up the hill to help him. Again they found that boy had tricked them. Again the boy.
Okay, Akhil Raila, what happened? R Akhil. Unmute yourself again. R Akhil, where are Akhil? Yes, unmute. It's a wonderful story. Nana Pulache, Pulachindi, Pilodu వచ్చింది. అబద్ధం చెప్తాడు పులచ్చిందని, లేకపోతే అమ్మ పులచ్చింది లక్ష్మీ సాన్వి టోల్డ్. అమ్మ సింహం వచ్చింది టోల్డ్ లక్ష్మీ సాన్వి. It's a wonderful story. You should not lie or you should not play jokes with elders. Okay, you have to implement this in your real life. It's a wonderful message oriented story, because see, they died in this way. They are used in that movie also. What that movie, Allu Arjun's movie, that Butta Bomma song will be there na. అలా వైకుంఠపురంలో పులచ్చింది, మేక చచ్చింది, బట్ మేక చావలేదు, పిల్లోడు చచ్చింది మన స్టోరీలో. బికాస్ హీ మేడ్ జోక్స్ విత్ హిస్ ఫాదర్. Should not make fun of your fathers or mothers. Okay, Akhil Raila, unmute yourself first. Are you there in the class? Unmute.
Yes, sir.
Yes, go ahead. We have to be complete before 5:15 only.
Screen not looking. Screen not looking.
You rejoin again. Your
Screen
network is problem. Your network. Anybody in the class, are you able to see the screen? If yes, you show your thumb. I'm seeing your videos. Komal, yes, he showed thumb. N Revant, Lakshmi Sanvi showed, and Madhulika raised hand. K Shivasa, yes, right. It's a problem, network problem of R Akhil. Again, you join fastly. You go out of the class and again you join. Fast. Don't waste your time. At 5:15, Sar has a class. At 5:15, one more class is there. We have to take one more class for 10th class children. Next, Madhulika messaged in the group. Madhulika, you also get ready to tell what's your topic. We have to complete before 5:15. Sir, I will. Jashwant told I will tell the any and the grasshoppers. Ant and the grasshopper, I think. Madhurika told I will tell the ant and the dove. Okay, ant stories are this many stories are there. Yes, okay. Today network problem, I think. Arakil, again, unmute yourself. At least we have to take at least one person. Madhulika, Jashwant, message. Number
Sir,
34
unmuted.
also. Is this screen is visible or not?
Not.
Not okay. What we have to do? Okay,
Sir,
I will read.
Ashan sir is.
I will read. I will read. Complete it fastly.
Okay, sir.
You may explain.
Okay, sir.
Again, the villagers rushed up the hill to help him, and again they found that the boy had tricked them. They were very angry with him for being so naughty. Then, some time later, a wolf went into the field. The wolf attacked one sheep and then another and another. The shepherd boy ran towards the village shouting, "Help, help! Wolf, help somebody!" The villagers heard his cries, but they laughed because they thought it was another trick. Because they thought that he is making one more joke, but he cried. Even he cried, no one came forward to help him. Okay, the boy ran to the nearest villagers and said, a wolf is attacking the sheep. I lied before, but this time it was true. Finally the villagers went to look. It was true. They could see the wolf running away and many dead sheep lying on the grass. We may not believe someone who often tells lies, even when he tells the truth also. Okay, if you tell 99 truths and one lie to your parents, they won't believe. Okay, what is the moral of the story? Not only your parents, everybody in this world. If you tell 9999 truths and if you tell one lie, they won't believe. Okay, you don't get that chance to become, don't get to chance of lying towards others. Okay, lying for others, or you don't get those, you don't create that situations to tell lie for others, or to tell lies, or to make jokes, to make fun of others. Okay, you make yourself fun and you can make them laugh, but you should not make fun of others. It's very dangerous thing. It is not at all good thing. They will hurt a lot. So this story give very moral story. We have discussed these all things. Okay, no problem. Next, Madhulika, we will complete. We have to complete before 5:15. No? Okay, Madhulika, are you interested? Are you continue tomorrow? It's your choice. We'll continue. Shall we continue tomorrow? Because it's went very much. So tomorrow, if you start, means your 20 members of your friends will listen to your story, your explanation of story. Okay, you go and read. Why your videos are, I'm unable to watch your videos perfectly. Okay, I'm ending this class. Okay, practice well, children. Just remember, to learn something, you need 20 hours or 21 hours or 21 to 66 hours. To become expert, worldwide champion, means expert means worldwide champions, you have to spend 10,000 hours. Okay, you remember this and go on working on your strengths. Okay, right. Bye, have a nice day. All the best for your brightful future, and once again happy birthday for Shiva Sai. Okay, right.